Hi everybody, welcome to BI Land. Sometimes your client wants to have a home page in the report. In fact, he wants to use buttons to enter different pages in the report. He might also want some information like last update date in the same page. Additionally, he would like to put all the filters in that page and then enter the report. Therefore, today we are going to see how to create a home page hosting buttons, information, and filters. This is going to be a very useful video to build an ergonomic report. Alright, let's begin. Our report has two pages, production by region and producer segmentation. If this report is published in Power BI services, when we open it, we are going to see this page and we can select then this page. Our goal is to have a home page so that when the report is published, when we open it, we only see the home page. And from the home page, we navigate through these other two pages. Let's create the home page. I'm going to call it home page. I'm going to create two buttons here. For that, simply we go to insert, button. I can bring a blank button here, a little bit bigger. And in style, I'm going to put a text on it. And the text is going to be the name of the page. So I can come here and copy the text and then put here on. Let's make it bigger. I'm just going to fill. So now we have this button. If I make a little bit bigger our text. Okay. If we go here in the action, I'm going to turn on the action, and the action can be going back, bookmark, drill through, or page navigation. We want page navigation, and the page we want to be the destination of this button is production by region. Now if I control and then click on this button, here when we are in the report, we need to press control and then click, but once it's published, we don't need to hold the control key. It comes to this page. I can do this for the second one. I am going to only copy and then paste this button. Change the text to the name of the page. So we come here in style. I'm going to be this text here. And in the action, I'm going to make it to go to the producer segmentation. So if I control click, it comes to this page. But the problem is that now if I publish, okay, I'm going to see home page, but I'm going to still see the list of the pages. We can hide them. So I can just hide this page, hide this page. Once this report is published, now I only see home page, and then I click and go to the other pages. The problem also is that now when I'm on this page, I would like to have a button that goes to the home page. For that, we can again insert button, and this time I can put the button like this. I'm going to make it a little bit different in color. And here I can put the action go back. So in that case, it goes to the previous page that we were on. For simplification, I'm going to just put page navigation so that it always goes to the home page. Now, if I control and click, it comes here. I can copy the same thing here. Now also it goes to the home page. Okay, now we have reached our goal to put buttons that goes to different pages. But to make it a little bit like as if this is really like buttons, we can put some kind of shapes here, like this one. I can copy it and paste it here also. just to show that these are the buttons that we can click and go to the other pages. And also we can change the size of the page. I'm going to go to the canvas settings and we can make it custom. And in the view, we would like to make it page view with the width. So now it's probably better. Okay. Now our second goal is to have information here showing the last department study date. For that, we can create a measure because in our report, there are different department study dates and we want to see what was the latest date that a department has studied the old production or has studied this report. So I'm going to create a new measure in my measure table. And I can call it last study date. And this is going to be maximum of all date department study. If I bring it here and I make it like a card, this is not bad. But we can also do it differently. I can concatenate this with like text so that I don't need to write again in a text box that last department study date was this date. So I'm going to only add text here, and for that I'm going to use concatenate function. I can say latest study date. This is my first text. The output of the function is text, but it also accepts number as the item. But I prefer to make text from the beginning. I can use format function to make the second argument as text also. Format, and in the format I can add the format that I like, but I don't want to show the hour because we don't have the hour in fact in our database. And here. And actually I can put a space here so that there's a space between this text and our date, and then we are good. Okay. Now we come here. We don't need label because it's already written. We can make this a little bit different. 18. And the color. Maybe this one. Okay. We can also add a text here. Oil production insights. Now we have our title and also information. You see that we have a lot of space here. We can change the setting of our page. We can make it a little bit smaller. I come here and in the canvas setting, I can maybe make the height 700, probably a little bit less, 980. Okay. Bigger. Okay, our third goal is to bring the filter to the first page. So you see we have a year filter in our both pages. I have a year filter here and also here. Basically, when I choose a year, our chart updates accordingly. Now I want to bring this filter in the first page that works for both of the pages. So I'm just going to copy this and then paste it here. We don't care about this because we are going to delete the filter from the other pages. Here we are going to come into View and Sync Slicer. In the Sync Slicer, I want this slicer to be visible in the home page, but I don't want to see it in the other pages. So now if we go to the other pages, I don't have this filter. On the first page, when I click like year, let's say 84, now I have my year chosen here. I go to this page, I have my chart dated to that year. And also, if I go back and I go to the producer segmentation, my chart also is updated according to the year 1984. Okay, so now we have our filter in the first page and also buttons that allow me to go to other pages. That's all for this video. We reached our goal. We have title, information, filter, buttons, and when we publish this report, we are going to only see this page and go through the other page using these buttons and filter. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, like this video and put your comments. Don't forget to watch my other videos and also subscribe to my channel for the coming videos. Until then, good luck.